Hello, in this video, you will learn how to increase the memory of your VPS or your WordPress site. You can add a swap file for VM instance to increase memory. If you want to know to get free VPS, check the VPS and mining playlist of the channel. Please check the description for all the codes and guidelines. Open the terminal of your VPS or WordPress VM instances using an SSH connection. To see available memory and swap file size, use this command. You can see there is no swap file added here. Create a swap file and allocate space. I've used 1024 MB, but you can take more. Next, use this line to mount it. Switch to the root account to activate the swap. Use this to activate it. Next, use this command. Check if it's created successfully. Now you can check again the created swap memory size and primary memory size. You can see here, it was created successfully. If you think this video is helpful, share it with others. Subscribe for more videos like this. You can help me with donations also. I invite you to join our MineXTuts community to share your knowledge with others and solve your questions quickly. Thank you for watching MineXTuts. See you again soon with another awesome video.